Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tomato sauce. We'll start by selecting the best tomatoes, then move on to preparing your canning equipment. You'll learn how to cook your tomatoes down to that perfect, rich consistency. This process ensures a delicious sauce that you can enjoy all year round, bringing the taste of summer to your pantry. First, wash and core your tomatoes, then blanch them briefly in boiling water to easily remove their skins. Once peeled, crush them and add your preferred seasonings like basil, oregano, or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Let the sauce simmer gently, stirring occasionally until it thickens significantly, reducing its volume by approximately 1/3. This slow cooking develops deep flavors. Now, carefully ladle the hot sauce into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal. Place the filled jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are fully submerged, and process them for the recommended duration to preserve your delicious sauce safely. After processing, allow the jars to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check that each lid has sealed properly. It should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your beautifully canned tomato sauce in a cool, dark pantry where it will keep for up to 1 year. This homemade sauce is perfect for pasta, pizzas, or any recipe needing a burst of fresh tomato flavor. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.